Today we are going to be doing mixed naming practice with both transition metals
and polyatomic ions.
Okay, so here's an example of an ionic bond using a polyatomic ion. So first what you do is you write out what each of the elements' charge is. So calcium has a positive 2 charge, and hydroxide is a polyatomic ion, and so you just have to know what charge it is, and hydroxide is a -1 charge. So as you can see, these aren't equal, so this doesn't equal a 0 neutral charge, so you have to try to find the common factor of the two to make it equal. So Ca can stay the same, but you can have 2 hydroxides. So then you put in parentheses, and that would be your final answer, because this is a positive 2 charge and this is a negative 2 charge, which equals 0. So that's how you know it's a neutral charge.
So the next example problem we're going to be doing is using a transition metal and a polyatomic ion. So when you see right here that Roman numeral 2 tells us that iron, Fe, which is a transition metal, that's why you put the Roman numeral after it, has a charge of +2. So whenever you see the Roman numeral right there, always know that means the charge. And then sulfate is a polyatomic ion, so you just have to memorize its charge, and sulfate's SO4 and has a charge of -2. So right here we see that both Fe and SO4 have opposite charges. Fe has a charge of +2, SO4 has a charge of -2, and +2 and -2 give you a neutral charge of 0. So when you're writing out the formula for iron to sulfate, you just have to write Fe SO4. And you don't need to use parentheses to surround the polyatomic ion, which is sulfate right here, unless there's more than one of that atom. So here you're fine with just saying Fe SO4.